If you split a shape into 6 equal pieces, each piece is called a sixth. In the first picture here, we have a circle and we have to divide that into sixths, which means there'll be 6 pieces. Now, we could start by splitting it right down the middle, and then we have to split each part into 3. Because if I split that side into 3, that's 1, 2, 3 pieces. I should be able to get another 3 pieces on the other side, which would be 6 pieces altogether. And they would all be the same size, so they would be equal, which means they're sixths. Here we have a rectangle, and that we also need to split into sixths, which means there'll be 6 sixths altogether. You can see I've put some little dots here, and these might help you to work out where to draw your lines. In the section underneath here, this time you're going to make sure that 1/6 of the shape is shaded. So you need to divide this into 6 equal pieces and then shade in one of them and write here what that would be. And in the other one here, we choose a different number of sixths. You might choose 5/6 or another number of sixths. And again, you need to divide the circle into 6 equal pieces and then shade in the number that you have chosen and write the fraction underneath. You go and try that now and then come back and we'll go through it together. Pause the video just now. Okay, let's see how you did. I'm going to change my pen to a different colour. Hopefully you put your 6 at the top here because we're talking about sixths, which means 6 equal pieces altogether. And in the circle here, you had to divide it into 6 sixths. So hopefully you've put the 6 in there, and you've maybe done what I've done and drawn a line down the middle and split it this way, and that line actually can carry on across there. That line can carry on across there, and we now have 6 equal pieces, sixths. For the rectangle, the trick here is to split it down this way into thirds and then split across the middle. So each of the thirds is divided into 2. So we get 6 pieces altogether. Here we've got another rectangle. So again, we want to make sixths. This time I'm going to split it in half this way and then split it down here to make 6 equal pieces. And one of these has to be shaded. I could shade that one in. You might have shaded a different one. And because it's 1/6, you would write this as 1/6. In the other shape, it says 5/6 are shaded. We need to make sixths again. A different way to make sixths is to make the thirds. We can draw a line down here, and then we draw a line out that way, and a line out that way. It looks a bit like the Mercedes car symbol, doesn't it? Those are our thirds. And then we can split each of the thirds into 2 pieces to make 6 pieces. 5 in them in my case are going to be shaded. Let's have a different colour for that. 5/6 are shaded. So I'm going to shade in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here I would write 5/6.